children. Today I am discussing about the connective tissue, bones and cartilage. Cartilage is solid and flexible, pliable. Cells of cartilage are called chondrocytes. Cartilage is present in, for example, tip of nose, outer ear joints, or pinna, external ear, between adjacent bones of vertebral column, and it also present in our limbs, whereas bones are hard and non-flexible, not flexible, pliable. Cells of bone are called osteocytes. Bones are present in Osteocytes are present in space called lacunae. Bone marrow, which is present in some bones, is the site of production of blood cells. That is, blood cells are produced by bone marrow. Bones support and protect our softer tissue and internal organs like heart, brain, lungs, etc. And bony framework of our body is called skeleton, dhacha. Note, the longest and shortest bone in our body is thigh bone, that is called femur, and the smallest or shortest and lightest bone in our body is stapes or stirrup, which is present in our middle ear. The brain box covers and protect our brain, which is brain is an important organ of our body. This brain box is called cranium or skull. The skull is very hard because it is made up of bones. The next point about bones, all the body parts of our body may float in water or river, but our head will sink, डूब जाएगा, in water, because the weight or mass of displaced in water is lesser than the actual weight or mass of our head. So our head sinks in water. Next point about bones is number of bones in adult human is 206 bone, 206, whereas number of bones in infant or children is about 300 bones. Our foot has 26 bones. Our hand, including wrist, kalai, has 54 bones. Collarbone is the most common broken bone among children. The hyoid bone, a V-shaped bone located at the base of our tongue, jibha. The only bone, this hyoid bone is the only bone in our body that does not connected with other bone. Bones are made up of calcium, phosphorus, sodium, etc. with the collagen protein. Which protein? Collagen protein. Bones are alive. Bones are alive and made up of living tissue. Throughout our life, our bones are constantly growing and regenerating with the help of osteoblasts. Osteoblasts helping constantly in newborn growth during youth, and osteoblast is also other function. While osteoblasts tend to destroy bones, bones remodeling, the constant cycle of creation and destruction of bones is called bone remodeling. The most common bone disease is osteoporosis, which causes low bone mass and decline bone structure. Cartilage is flexible connective tissue. Bone is also a connective tissue. Cartilage can bend, folded, but resist stretching. खींचने में ये resist करता है, कान खींचने में. The main function of cartilage is to connect bones together. Also, cartilage is also found in the joints, the rib cage, the ear, which is called pinna, the nose, the throat, and the space between the bones, the back, and the between the bones of the back. Healthy cartilage is vital to joint function. If the cartilage is weak, the function of joint is affected. So this is a small video about bones and cartilage, and some key points about bones and cartilage are given below. This video is very useful for the student of class 9 under the chapter tissues. So, okay, thank you, bye.